Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amber Sharniece. If you are new to this channel, definitely go ahead and smash the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and you guys leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Thank you guys again for tuning into the channel. I'm Amber Sharniece, and in today's video, I am going to be giving you my long-awaited office tour. So I want to kind of go around the room and show you what I have in here, okay? What things that I use that I basically call essential for my home office life and filming setup, all that good stuff. I'm not going to go too much in detail about my filming setup and stuff because I don't think that's what this office tour is about. It's pretty much just letting you know where I got all my pieces, how much they cost, things like that. So if you're interested and you want to see all the things that I have in my lovely office, definitely stay tuned and check out this video. All right, you guys, so let's get started with the tour. Ta-da-da. Okay, so this is what the room looks like overall pan of the room when you walk in. And okay, so let's work our way, I guess, around. Yeah, let's work our way around. So over here, I pretty much just have the inside of the room. I have a little canvas painting up there. I got it from a store here. I think it's called Roses. And I also purchased that from Roses as well. But let's get into what's over here. So this is like my film, my tech area. So my lights and stuff are pretty much here the majority of the time, unless I'm doing something over there on that side of the room and I'll take them out or put them in the closet. But yeah, I'll just have my lights here. And I've gotten all my lights and equipment from Amazon, of course. So if you guys are looking for some lights, ring light, all that good stuff, I will link them in the description box below so that you guys can see. This one was sent to me, so it won't be linked. If I can find the video where I posted it, I'll get the link from there. And we'll do that. This is my camera. The camera that I use is a Canon EOS 90D. Love this freaking camera. It's 4K quality. It's really, really good. Really, really nice. I'm going to start doing more photography with my camera because, like, why not? On this side of the room, I have my little floor mirror that I purchased from Amazon. I really thought it was going to be wider and taller than this. So I was a little disappointed in the size when I got it. But it works. It does the job. So, hey, cute. I like the shape of it as well. These chairs I have, let me see if you can see the back of the pattern on the back there. These chairs are also from Amazon. It came in a set of 2 in this mauve color. Love that. And this pillow I got from Hobby Lobby years ago. So the chairs and the pillow, they're quite old. I had those at my old house, my last house. My curtain rod. I purchased my curtain rod from Walmart, I believe. I think it's one of the mainstays at brand. Very cheap, very inexpensive. And the curtains are the same curtains I have throughout the rest of the house. And guess where it's from? Amazon. Okay, so now, before we get onto this side of the room, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my desk area where I film, where I edit most of the time when I want to be in a formal setting. So again, we have this chair and we have my my desk. Girl, eyelashes and a kitty cat. Don't ask me why. I don't know. So over here, I just have this little Vanity Impressions mirror. It's super dirty and super old. It doesn't even work. Like the lights on it doesn't even work anymore. I have my microphone in here and my extension cable to plug it up so therefore when my camera is on, the cord reaches all the way over there. Of course, I have my laptop right here. Usually when I'm filming, I have this open and I can see myself through the monitor, my phone. In these drawers, this is pretty much like kind of sort of like a junk drawer, you know. It's organized chaos. It don't look like it, I know, but it is. I got like some of my stuff that I reach for very frequently in here. Yeah, let's just close that. That's a little messy. This side, it's a little messy as well, but this is all my makeup. I've condensed my makeup collection a lot. Only the stuff that I actually use. There's no need of me having extra stuff other than like lashes and stuff. You gotta have extra lashes, right? But yeah, I need to go makeup shopping because I want to get rid of some of that stuff and get some new stuff. On this wall, I have my clothing rack. I do plan on getting a bronze or a gold like my curtain rod or my mirror clothing rack to hang my clothes on. These are just some new purchases of new pieces that I purchased from Fashion Nova a while back and have not completely worn them yet. Typically when I'm filming, I want to have something really quick and easy to put on, so I leave these clothes here for that purpose. And if I'm doing like a haul or something, I'll remove these clothes and put, you know, my clothes that I actually want to do the haul with, and I'll put them on there and I'll film the video. On this side, don't mind my random wig up there, okay? That's actually not supposed to be up there at all. I don't know why she's there. I think I got lazy one time, didn't want to put her in the closet. So she's up there with my globe. This globe is from Hobby Lobby. And I'm pretty sure they still, I got this years ago, but I'm pretty sure they still sell this. This whole rack, not rack, oh girl, that was real ratchet of me. This whole bookshelf, the 2 bookshelves, guess where they from, girl? Amazon. Y'all know. And of course, I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below because I want you guys to be able to pick out anything that you like in this room and be able to purchase it yourself as well. I just have a couple of pictures hanging around. I got this letter from my hubby. It was so sweet, so I had to display it. I got this for my baby, and got a couple canvas, you know, paintings over here. A couple books that I've read. Baby, that's like not even my book collection. I've read so many books in my life. Makeup, brushes and stuff, concealers, and I got some papers and stuff that I need to put up down there. Got these pictures, these art paintings from Amazon as well a couple years ago. I brought this from my old house as well. I bought these picture frames and picture frames and pictures from my old house as well. These come from, if I'm not mistaken, Hobby Lobby. No, I got those off of Amazon. This is a cute little piece. I actually got this from one of my coworkers at work. I think it was part of a Christmas gift. And I decided to bring it home and put it in my home office because it's cute. These are pictures of myself and my hubby that my child drew on. Yay me. This here is from Home Goods, and these are just some old flowers, fake flowers that I purchased probably like from Dollar Tree a couple years ago. And yeah, they're there. Another canvas art. I got all these jars that I have are from Etsy. Got these fancy picture frames. This one, that one down there, and that one over there are from most likely Ross Ross. They're from Ross. These are all my little perfumes, girl. My collection needs a revamp because I don't even wear all these on a consistent basis at all. So these are my little perfumes that I currently have, and I need to do some perfume shopping because I need more. Okay, I'm tired of these scents. Down here is my little elephant, a little gold elephant, a picture of my oldest. And you guys, this is something that I've kept all the way from 6th grade. It says, can y'all see? No, y'all can't see against that. And put my fingers against it. Y'all see? It says Amber Burton, best all around student, 2005-2006. I don't know, but that just meant something to me because I want to know a cute little backstory. So they were doing like the little giveaways at our reward ceremony, like leaving school for like the 6th grade graduation. And all the kids were getting awards, and I just couldn't understand. I was getting really sad. I was like, oh my God, I'm not getting an award for anything. And they say the best one for last, and that was the one. I was best all around. Yeah, I know. Anywho, that's pretty much it. This dresser here. Oh, this is like a little hat box though, but there's no hats in it. There's actually nothing in it. That's from Hobby Lobby. My dresser, I also purchased this from Amazon. Now, the knobs actually are from Home Depot. I actually went and got these knobs. I did not like the knobs that came on it. They sucked in color to me. So, yeah. And these drawers, I pretty much have them organized like by section. So, these are like all my hair, like curlers and combs and all that good stuff. Scarves inside that bag. I got beads and stuff for the girls. In this drawer, I just actually dropped this drawer. I knocked it over because I was trying to fix one of the legs and the leg fell off and the whole thing fell over and it was a catastrophe in here, so it's kind of dirty. Anyway, this drawer are like all my hot tools, and they're actually not all in here. I have some in my other bathroom, but yeah, I have some of my hot tools in here. In this drawer, I have like most of like my product that's all down in there. Over here, this is like my miscellaneous drawer, accessories, things like that. I have like jewelry and stuff back there. I got my bush in here. Why do I have that in here? I don't know. I got all my glasses. I got more jewelry and stuff in there. In this one, I have electronics, things for like my photography and stuff like that I'm gonna be doing. Y'all, whenever I got into something, I bought a whole bunch of stuff. I got stabilizers and tripods and batteries and flash photography. I have even I have a tablet and a whole computer in there, y'all. A whole computer. Don't ask me why. Just don't ask, okay? In here, I have like all my cords and stuff and different other electronic pieces that I may need at some point in time. And then I think the last thing we're going to talk about is my rug. It's huge. Love it. It's really, really cute. I got this from Amazon as well. So this entire room is darn near Amazon. Pretty much everything. Even this, did I get this clothing line from Amazon? No, I think I got this from Walmart. I got it from Walmart. But yeah, pretty much everything in here is Amazon. This is my little office. Come here and get my work done, get my videos filmed, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope this video was nice, short, sweet, quick, and simple. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and you enjoyed the tour. Again, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know your favorite piece in the office, or if you have any questions about any of the pieces in the office, let me know, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Sharniece so that you guys are up to date with everything that I post. Yeah, check out my Instagram. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today and watching today's video. And I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.